Hi, welcome to Golden Elite Deco channel, and right now using our 72 vanity and mirror in champagne color. Champagne wall hung cabinet create a modern floating look. The countertop is made of Royal White Jade natural marble. It includes crystal glass basin for a luxurious finish. The countertop is translucent, adding elegance and depth. Equipped with two large, soft closed drawers for smooth and quiet functionality. Features sleek middle handle for a refined appearance. Integrated sensor LED lighting adds a soft ambient glow. Comes with an integrated LED mirror. Feature LED lighting with a responsive touch sensor. Include a shelf incorporated at the bottom for convenience. To take up the drawers, it's really simple. Firstly, you have to open the drawers, and you're gonna find the hook on both sides, and you have to press on that. And then at the same time, you can remove. And to put back the drawer, it's really simple. You need to put the drawer exactly on the same position after rack on the both sides, and then you slide it in on both sides at the same time, and then you close that.